Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Nicole.
And we are the people behind The Wood Whisperer.
Oh.
Did you know that?
I didn't know that.
We are the people.
The two people.
The two people. There's more than that now.
Wow, yeah.
So we've been making videos here on YouTube since 2006. We're very old.
YouTube years.
How many have we done?
Over 400.
That's a lot.
That's a lot of videos.
More than anybody ever asked for.
Yes.
But we're still going strong, and especially right now, this desk series that we did, we've been releasing a video every week, and it's a multi-part series with lots of detail. It's my favorite kind of video to make, and we're going to be doing more of that in the future. And now YouTube has this whole memberships thing.
They do.
Which is pretty cool. It's a way for you to help contribute to the show, and it helps us build the community and do some really cool things.
Like our first level is our after show level. So Mark and I do a live show every Friday morning, and after we're done with the live show, we move over to the after show and talk about pretty much whatever you want.
We have tea and crumpets.
Tea and crumpets.
We have another level that's a little bit more, but that gets you some behind the scenes, gets you some informal tool reviews.
Early access.
Early access to videos, like for instance today, we've got a video coming out tomorrow, but it's already edited. So I'm going to publish it today for members so you can check that out and just see it early, because that's a thing people like to do. We're going to put the link below if you want to go check this out. There is a join button now that you can click on, see the details, and if this is something you're into, awesome. We always appreciate the support. If not, you know what? That's okay too. Just watching our videos, clicking like once in a while if you like the videos, staying subscribed, that's really the best thing that you could do to help us out. But if you want to go the extra mile, this other thing is there too. So thank you for watching, everybody, and we'll see you Friday mornings for the morning show, and we'll be putting out a lot of cool content here moving forward.
Stay tuned.
Beep, beep, beep. That's all, folks.